You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this crypto analysis video. Right now, Bitcoin is at $23.5k and ETH, you see ETH right here at 1.6k, and on the 4-hour chart ETH, we've seen the market trying to move to the upside around this area. So what are we expecting on the immediate short term on the BTC USD 4-hour chart right here? Is the market going to break this very level of support, which is resistance at this very point, resistance right here, and resistance at this area as well? So all of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the very end, and if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video on the BTC USD 1-day chart. If you look at it, markets has been moving to the upside. We are very much bullish on the market from this very area of 16.6k up to this very area where the market is right now of $23.5k. And on the RSI, we are still seeing this very divergence, and this is a bearish divergence. The market is going down on the RSI, but on the chart we are seeing this market moving slightly to the upside, right from this area to the upside. What this means is that market is going to have a pullback in form of a consolidation. That means market can just be in this formation at this very area before the next move to the upside, or we are going to see the market come back down significantly before the next move to the upside. That is what divergence mean in the market. In this case, a bearish divergence. So we've been seeing the market moving to the upside while the RSI is trending back to the downside, about crossing this level of 70 points on the RSI to the downside. So what I am expecting is we could see the market move a little bit to the upside, approaching this level of $25k, and the RSI will still come down. Then afterward, we're going to see the market move to the downside in form of a good retracement before the next move to the upside again in the market. So what you should be paying attention to right now is the market moving up a little bit on the 1-day chart before that initial move to the downside, and this is what I am paying attention to right now on the BTC USDT 1-day chart. Market is still very much bullish at this very area, but this divergence, which is a bearish divergence on the RSI, is also an indication that you need to be very careful taking long positions for a very long period of time as we approach this very level of resistance. Because if you look at the market, this is a very important resistance right here on the 25k level at this very point. See, after this very area, market crashed back right down and then retrace a little bit, then it come back down again, and this was the last point where the market was before this initial move to the upside at this very area. So attention should be given to this very point of $25k as we see the market tend to approach that level, and being very careful on this divergence that we are seeing right now on the RSI on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. And on the 4-hour chart here, if you look at it very well, we have seen the market begin to move sideways at this very point, and what I am expecting on the immediate short term BTC USDT is the market come back down and a breakout here, because I am paying attention to this very level of support, which is resistance here, resistance at this very area, resistance at this very point. A breakout here is going to send the market into this level of support, and we see a very strong support at this very area, support here, support at this point, and support at this very point where the market moved from in the past. So what you should be paying attention to is market coming back down. A breakout here is going to send the market back down to this level of support, that is the $22.5k level at this very area. And not only that, if you look at the MACD indicator at this very point, you see that the market have started forming on the negative side of the MACD. We see this very formation of the histogram on the negative side of the MACD. Not only that, we have this crossover of the MACD line and the signal line at this very area. These are indication that markets have high capacity of coming back down, breaking this level of support, which is resistance, and come back down into this level of support before we will see a very good move again to the upside. Because if you look at price action from this area, market move up, from this very point market move up, from this very area as well, market move to the upside. So this will not be an exception. Market will likely have high probability of moving back to the upside from this very area as well on the BTC USDT 4-hour chart. So pay attention to the market coming back down into this level of 23,200 at this very point, and then a breakout means that the market is going to come back down into this very level of support. And on the ETH USDT 1-day chart, if you look at it very well, you see the market is already at this very strong level of resistance, and the next resistance we are seeing right here is this very area of 1.8k approximately at this very point, right at this very area. So a move to the upside, the next target is going to be this very level of 1.8k. and what I am paying attention to right now on the ETH chart right here is this divergence as well. As we all know, divergence from the indicator, that is the RSI indicator at this very point, the market did not actually retrace back down, but we see this very movement in form of a consolidation at this very area. Market can remain here for a very long time before that initial breakout to the upside. If the market breaks out of this very point of resistance right at this very point, the next target is this very level of 1.8k approximately at this very point on the ETH 1-day chart. And that also means that the market is going to come back into the overbought condition on the RSI as we see a breakout on this level of resistance. Pay attention to this breakout. If you don't see a breakout, then that means the market is going to come back down into this level of $1,500 level at this very point before a continuation from this very area to the upside. This is what I am paying attention to right now on the ETH 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart here, if you look at it very well, we are seeing this very ranging market at this very point, ranging between these two horizontal boundaries at this very point. And right now, expect the market to move a little bit to the upside before it will come back right down. What I'm expecting on the ETH USD 4-hour chart is the market go up a little bit and then come back down into this level of support. This level of support right here is very important, and we need to pay attention to this very area of support on the ETH USD 4-hour chart. If you look at the MACD, we are seeing reduced momentum on the MACD histogram to the negative side of the MACD, although it has not started formation on the negative side of the MACD, but that will soon happen after we see a crossover on the MACD line and the signal line at this very area. So once we see a crossover on the MACD line and the signal line, and we see the histogram start forming on the negative side of the MACD at this very point to the downside, then that also means that this market is going to move back to the downside into this level of support that is between the 1.55k and this level of 1.5k at this very area on the ETH 4-hour chart. So this is what I am paying attention to. Market should move a little bit on ETH and then come back down, and on BTC here, I am expecting this market to come back into this level of support. A breakout here is going to send the market back into this level of $22,500 on the immediate short term. So what do you think about the market on the ETH USDT 1-day chart? Do you think this market is going to break this level of resistance? I'm going to see the market move back into this level of 1.8k on ETH? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.